Wild cow milking. The best. Yeah, Kevin.
We are
You
not
signing up?
responsible for injuries involved with the wild cow milking.
Video camera time. Yeah, road trip.
The long night of the sun rising up the horizon and into our tired eyes, the spell of night is struck down.
Just don't
Our
suffocate
second
yourself.
sight is bleeding out. Hey, can I come and walk you home? You belong out of that uniform, out in the streets when everyone else is asleep. See the way the body sways in empty air when there's nobody there and you don't even care if they're. And can I be to you like that? Cover your shame with the shield of black. built our home out on the slopes, Pompeii beneath she lay above. And how she haunted our home, how she haunted our home. And you were a god in my eyes, above the clouds, above the skies. You were a god in my eyes, you were a god. You took me walking through the town, showed me the statues underground, said just don't they look at peace. Sometimes I wish that was me. And I was the son you always had, tugging at your coat while you were sad. I was the son you always had. Yeah, I was the son you always had. Don't cry, hold your head up high. She would want you to, she would want you to. Please just don't cry, hold your head up high. She would want you to, she would want you to. You said stay in the car and wait, there's just some things I have to say. Don't you know I miss her too? I miss her just as much as you. So my father and my son, as you end what she's begun, you'll lie patient by her side, with roses red come lilies white. I was too young to understand flowers slipping from your hand. I was too young to understand. Yeah, I was too young to understand. I was too young to understand the flowers sleeping in her hands. I was too young to understand. I was too young to understand.
By the dawn's early light.
This is a little bit of bush poetry. Now, I guarantee there are going to be words in here that you will not understand. And there's words in here that I still don't understand. He made a rude remark. I bet the flats are pretty green up home in Ironbark.
This evil smile said, "My name is Sue. How you do? Now you gonna die." Well, he said,
"Hey, a tiger in a cage can never see the sun. This diva needs her."
"Ready, go."
All right.
Oh.
Meet people traversing. Yeah!
Wait a minute.
Come on, yeah! Yes!
Strong, Teddy. Stay strong.
Stay strong. You guys gotta count. Stay strong. That was 1, 2.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Thing. Wow, man, look at that. Bonnie, stick your finger next to it.
No.
Oh.
That's a big one. Whoa. Look at the big ball on its tail.
I know.
That's a serious stinger.
Get an aerial view.
Oh, good. I don't think you'll be able to.
Oh boy.
So I may just let go of this pot and run away.
What? No. Yikes.
I've been told it just hurts real bad.
He's not gonna. He can't. He's gonna get out of that. You're.
Yeah, you gotta hit him on the. Oh, he can go backwards.
Oh. His tail's up.
His tail's up.
Look at him. Oh.
He can't get out. He can't get out. We got him. I told you he couldn't get out.
Oh no. Oh, he's just going in circles.
That is such a big freaking scorpion.
Oh no.
I've never seen one that big.
He's just going in
Look
circles.
at his stinger, man. That stinger is like an inch long.
What if it jumps?
Oh. That's so creepy.
I don't think they can jump, can they?
I don't think so.
He looks pretty chill to me.
A chill?